Hi everyone, I'm Deechana Gopi. I like to start by wishing you all happy Independence Day to all the Indians. How was India discovered? Portuguese explorer Vasco da Gama is credited with discovering the country India. The explorer sailed from Lisbon, Portugal in 1497, arriving in Calicut, India in May 1498. The discovery of India was written by the Indian independence leader Jawaharlal Nehru in 1942 to 1945 in present-day India state of Maharashtra by British colonial authorities before the Independence Day of India. The book was written in 1944 but published in 1946. Rulers of India. Shivaji, Bindusara, Akbar, Aladdin, Ashoka, Porus Alexander, Tipu Sultan. Again Akbar ruled India. After Rana Sanga, Maharana Pratap. Freedom fighters of India. Mahatma Gandhi, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Jawaharlal Nehru, Tantia Tope, Nana Sahib, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Mangal Pandey, C. Rajagopalachari, Bhagat Singh, K. M. Munshi. Independence Day. On 15th August 1947, as India transitioned into an independent nation, the first Prime Minister of the country, Jawaharlal Nehru, addressed the nation and unfurled the Indian tricolour at the Red Fort. Since then, the tradition has continued. President of India. Rajendra Prasad in 1950 to 1962. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan in 1962 to 1967. Zahir Hussain in 1967 to 1969. V.V. Giri in 1969 to 1974. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmed in 1947 to 1977. Neelam Zanzibar Reddy in 1977 to 1982. Gani Zai Singh in 1982 to 1987. Ramaswamy Venkata Raman in 1987 to 1992. Shankar Dayal Sharma in 1992 to 1997. K.R. Narayanan in 1997 to 2002. APJ Abdul Kalam in 2002 to 2007. Pratibha Patil in 2007 to 2012. Pranab Mukherjee in 2012 to 2017. Ramnath Kovind in 2017 to in present. Prime Minister of India. Jawaharlal Nehru in 1947 to 1964. Lal Bahadur Shastri in 1964 to 1966. Indira Gandhi in 1966 to 1977. Morarji Desai in 1977 to 1979. Charan Singh in 1979 to 1980. Indira Gandhi in 1980 to 1984. Rajiv Gandhi in 1984 to 1989. Vishwanath Pratap Singh in 1989 to 1990. Chandra Shekhar in 1990 to 1991. P.V. Narasimha Rao in 1991 to 1996. Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 1996 to 1996. H.D. Deva Gowda in 1996 to 1997. Inder Kumar Gujaral in 1997 to 1998. Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 1998 to 2004. Manmohan Singh in 2004 to 2014. Narendra Modi in 2014 and present. National Flag. The national flag is a horizontal tricolor of India. Saffron at the top, white in the middle and Indian green at the bottom. In the center of the white band is a navy blue wheel which represents the chakra. The top of saffron color indicates strength and courage of the country. The white band indicates peace and truth with the Dharma chakra. The green shows the fertility and growth of the land. Its design is that of the wheel which appears on the abacus of the Sarnath lion, capital of Ashoka. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. National Anthem. The national anthem of India is played or sung on various occasions. The composition of the words and music of the first stanza of the last poet Rabindranath Tagore's song known as Jana Gana Mana is the national anthem of India. National Song. The song Vande Mataram, composed in Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, was a source of inspiration to the people in their struggle for freedom. It has an equal status with Jana Gana Mana. The first political occasion when it was sung was the 1896 session of the Indian National Congress. State Emblem. The state emblem is an adaptation from the Sarnath lion, capital of Ashoka. In the original, there are 4 lions standing back to back, mounted on an abacus with a frieze carrying sculptures in high relief on an elephant. A galloping horse, a bull and a lion separated by the interval wheel over a bell-shaped lotus, carved out of a single block of polished sandstone. The capital is crowned by the wheel of the law. Monuments in India. Taj Mahal, Red Fort, Gateway of India, Hawa Mahal, Sun Temple, Agra Fort, Mysore Palace, India Gate. Ajanta Caves, Lotus Temple. Culture. Indian culture is the heritage of social norms, ethical values, traditional customs, belief system, political system, artifacts and technologies that originated in or are associated with the Indian subcontinent. Languages. Classical languages have an independent tradition that accrues mostly on its own, have a large and rich body of ancient literature. The classical languages in India are Tamil 2004, Sanskrit 2005, Telugu 2008, Kannada 2008, Malayalam 2013 and Odia in 2014. Festivals. India is the land of festivals and fairs, virtually celebrating each day of the year. There are more festivals celebrated in India than anywhere else in the world. Each festival pertains to different occasions. Some welcome the season of the year, the harvest, the rains or the full moon. Others celebrate religious occasions, the birthdays or the advent of the new year. A quote from Mahatma Gandhiji. I suppose leadership at one time meant muscles, but today it means getting along with people. Once again, Happy Independence Day to everyone. Thank you.